Hi everyone. So today we are going to show in simple steps on how to create a new campaign using Meta MCP. I'm going to use Claude to interact with Meta and create an ad campaign. So the first thing that we need to know about creating an ad campaign is that while the MCP is able to do all the other aspects with respect to maybe adding a text above the ad or a description or a headline or putting the targeting there, campaign name, structure, and everything, but it will not be able to upload a video for you. So that step of uploading a video is something that you need to do. So I'm going to start with that step itself, where I will upload the video first, and then I will move to Claude, where I will show you on how to create a campaign, right? So let me just go to Meta Business Manager. Now, for uploading the video, you do not need to do this in the Ads Manager. Just go to All Tools, and within All Tools, you need to find the media library, right? And let's just find the media library. So here, media library is there. So I'm clicking on media library. And once media library opens, then we will choose the respective ad account and we will add or upload video over there. So it's asking me for my credentials before I move to media library. Let me just do that. Okay, now so it has now you can see the media library. I'll go to the add account media section. Uh, if you upload in business media, this is used more for your posts, etc. on the pages. You need to go to the add account media, select ad account and choose the relevant ad account. So over here, you can see what is already selected is VaanarStack Zmod, and I'm going to use this particular ad account. So I'm not going to change anything. But if you're using multiple ad accounts, ensure that you are in the correct ad account before you upload the videos. Now I'll go to this ad media. First, I'll upload the videos. And I'm uploading two videos over here. It will do some encoding, etc. And then you will see that both the videos will get uploaded. Now, while I'm doing this for two videos, even if you have ads in bulk, you want to upload these videos in bulk, you can do as many as you want, 10, 20 videos, and then your work of campaign creation stays in Claude. So one critical thing when we are uploading these ads, so if you see within videos, these two got uploaded just now. You can see the date 17 July 3:37, that it got uploaded. I've uploaded two variations, 4:5 and 9:16. Now I will go to the images section and also upload thumbnails for it. So this is important to note that when you do it via the ads manager, Meta automatically creates a thumbnail. But when you are uploading via media library, when MCP is going to call an ads manager, then you need to provide what image needs to be there as a thumbnail. It can auto generate as well, but that's a process again. So generally I prefer to add these thumbnails and provide those links to Meta Business Manager. Okay, so my upload part is done. So now I'm going to move to Claude and show you how to create the campaign. Right, so I'm in a window where I've already given the brief that I'm going to use this for a Meta campaign. Now note that I have created certain guidelines, etc., which are specific to my business and use case so that it is faster for Claude to recognize that and use that. So for example, all my guidelines, it remains in Meta guidelines.md, right? Where if I open that guidelines markdown file, it tells about the ad account that is to be used or what is the data set ID to be used, etc. So I do not need to keep on prompting again and again, like what are the different specific guidelines that are to be used. So it will use all this knowledge or which cities are there, and I'll come to the city keys. These are very important aspects when we are creating a campaign, and whatever any new learning that comes in, it keeps on appending to these guidelines, right? So now I'm going to just give a simple prompt. I have added a couple of videos for remarketing of Claude cohort course. Can you check? We need to take the campaign live. So now it is going to just ping maybe media library and check if it is able to identify the videos that I have added, right? So it is just doing that work. Okay, so what it is doing is it is trying to find these videos in my local folder because I did not specify that I've uploaded these in Meta. So I'm going to just interrupt over here and tell I've added these videos in media library already. In local, they are present in cohort purchase campaign folder, fourth ad set. So you see now it should understand in a better manner and actually interact with Meta to figure out which files have been uploaded. So now you see it is reading the brief, etc. And now it is trying to maybe figure out with Meta the if the video files are there or not. So it just verified the local files, and now it is checking what videos are there in the in Meta Media library. Okay, so now it has read everything and it is asking me some questions. Both 4agents videos are there in media library. Both thumbnails are uploaded too with hashes. Nothing wrong with the assets. Problem: there is no fourth asset and no 4agents ad exists. Ad set as of now in the so it is already asking me questions. I'll just first go through this what it has said, right? So no 4agents ad exists, so which is like the it needs to create that. It has 3 ad sets only, right? Is the fourth folder on your disk. 3 things block that. Activating the campaign spends 2500 per day, not 1000. Campaign is paused, but 2 ad sets underneath are already active and just waiting on it, right? And though collides with the 3 aspect recipe. Yeah, so this is something that I've, based on my placements, I have asked it not to do 1:1, only do 4:5 and 9:16, right? And then it is, this objective doesn't match the live campaign. Brief MD5 says outcome sales to purchase, the live campaign is outcome leads. So which is a fair thing that it has mentioned, that it is this is different at 2 different places. I want to go with outcome lead, so I'll just answer these questions. So I want to do remarketing only. Try the 2 ratio asset. Run in the existing lead campaign. Ship it. All right. So it asked me some questions. I've just answered all those 4 questions, and then now let's see. It should try and activate the campaign. So now it figured that it does not have an ad copy, but it has the brief. So it will probably write the ad copy or ask me for some suggestions.
The brief never gave me ad copy, so it writes it. VaanarStack, 4 working agents. Sign up. Then it catches something I would have missed. The remarketing set still has 3 old ads from July that would start spending the moment I activate. So I tell it 4 agents only. Last call. Pause Metro WP, 1,000 a day, and go. It pauses all 4 old ads, activates the campaign, and then checks the account instead of trusting its own success messages. Campaign is live. 4 agents, 1,000 a day, not 2,500. Exactly what I asked for. The MCP told me it built everything. But here is the one thing it cannot do. It cannot show me the campaign the way it will actually run. So before a single rupee moves, I open Ads Manager and check it myself. 5 things. 1. The creatives. Both ratios, 4:5 and 9:16, with their thumbnails actually sitting in the media library, not just on my laptop. 2. What is on? Only the remarketing set at 1,000 a day. Metro WP and the broad set are paused. because Take It Live would have quietly started all three and spent 2,500. 3. Inside that set, only the new 4 agents ad is running. The 3 old July creatives are off, so the budget and the numbers stay clean. 4. The ad itself. The copy is there, the preview renders, the button says sign up and advantage, plus text and voice are off. I do not want Meta rewriting my headline. 5. Targeting India. The 90-day course page visitors as the audience, age, and gender as briefed. This is the part the MCP genuinely cannot report back to you. So it is the part you always open and look at. Everything spent so far? Zero. The campaign is in review with Meta now, and it starts delivering within the hour.